Are you using retinol correctly, or are you causing more harm than good to your skin? In this video, I'm sharing the guide on how to use retinol the right way, and you won't believe the transformation it can bring to your skin when you understand the do's and don'ts. So by the end of this video, you will be crystal clear on the do's and the don'ts when it comes to using retinol in your skincare routine. But what is retinol and how does it actually work within the skin? Retinol is a form of vitamin A and is a superhero ingredient targeting many skin concerns. The first is aging. So as we lose collagen, our cell turnover slows down and we experience thinning of the skin or even large pores. Retinol stimulates our fibroblasts located within the deeper layer of the skin, the dermis, to build more strong collagen within the skin. Now, retinol can also help with hyperpigmentation and works at balancing the melanocyte that is responsible for creating melanin within the skin, which is known as pigment. And it also ensures that it's not overproducing melanin within the skin. And then when it comes to acne breakouts, retinol speeds up the cell turnover, exfoliating the skin, minimizing the clogged pores and bacteria that can lead to acne breakouts. So to recap, retinol produces more collagen within the skin, it increases skin cell turnover, balances excess melanin being produced, and helps with large pores and acne. So retinol is really one of those most studied ingredients, and there are an amazing range of product formulations on the market that you can get over the counter. So let's now dive into the do's and don'ts. The first do is to start slowly. When we got our hands on new skincare products, it is very exciting, but retinol is actually not one to go crazy with. Begin with a lower concentration and start only incorporating 2 times per week, then build up to 3 times per week, and finally up to every single day. You will still receive amazing results with a low concentration. What we see happen often is a lot of people want to go for the highest strength, but what most people don't realize is this can actually lead to a retinol response where you can get redness, irritation, flakiness, dryness, and even sometimes burning. So you don't want to overdo it. So to recap, begin with a lower concentration and start only incorporating 2 times per week, then build up to 3 times per week, and then finally you want to eventually build up to every single day. So you can go weeks 1 and 2, apply the new retinol serum every 3rd night. When it comes to weeks 3 and 4, apply the new retinol serum every 2nd night. And finally, from week 5, you should be able to introduce retinol every single night. The next do is to use retinol in the evening only. So sun exposure on retinol actually makes your skin more sensitive. Your skin also goes into repair mode at nighttime while you sleep. So the best time to use the anti-aging and retinol goodness is at nighttime. You do want to cleanse in the morning. So it's important to cleanse your face the morning after using your retinol the night before to ensure that you start your skin fresh with your other skincare routine products. The next do is to wear sunscreen every morning. So we always want to ensure that we always wear sunscreen because the sun accelerates the aging process, the breakdown of collagen, and it can also increase hyperpigmentation. So you should be wearing sunscreen daily even when you're not using retinol the night before. Another big do is you can actually use generally retinol serums around the eye contour area, so you don't really need a separate eye cream. It will depend on the product, but the eye area is fragile, thin, and normally the first place you'll start to see aging, so fine lines and wrinkles. It will be able to help stimulate the collagen in that area and reduce fine lines. It will also help thicken the skin in that area, but of course, just keep in mind if the serum is a water-based serum or an oil-based serum. If it's an oil-based serum, do not use this because it can actually clog the pores and lead to milia around the eye area, which you don't want. So it will just really depend about the retinol serum. Then do use on your neck and chest. We often apply all of our skincare to our face, but forget about our neck and chest area. So as you age, you will start to notice the difference between your face and chest drastically. So you want to ensure that you are using all your skincare on your face, neck, and chest area. The next do is to apply retinol to dry skin. So on damp skin, the retinol can actually be absorbed more deeply and in turn cause irritation. So you want to ensure that you wait a few minutes until your skin is completely dry before you apply your retinol serum. And then finally, do use retinol consistently and be patient for results. Retinol is not just a use it one bottle and then stop using. It's here to stay. You want to ensure that you use this as a maintenance ingredient. Be patient with your results because retinol can take up to 12 weeks, 3 months to see great results. And it will also depend on the product's formulation and the quality of retinol. Now moving on to the don'ts. The first don't is don't use retinol if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. It's one of those ingredients that are not recommended while you are breastfeeding or pregnant. So please check with your doctor about your current skincare ingredients and what you can or can't use. The next don't is don't use retinol in the morning. We talked about this earlier, but retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, so always use retinol in your nighttime skincare routine. Don't use retinol with direct acids or vitamin C. So most brands of retinol formulations are conflicts with direct acids and vitamin C. You always want to check with your brand that you use, but it's best to use vitamin C in the morning and then use retinol in the evening. When you decide to use direct acids like lactic acid, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid, you want to use it at nighttime on the opposite night to retinol. And you also don't use retinol when you are having facial waxing or skin clinic treatments. So this includes eyebrow waxing, facial waxing, laser, microneedling, chemical peels, microdermabrasion. You want to stop using retinol at least 3 days before these treatments, and also wait 3 to 5 days post these treatments to include back into your routine. Always check with your skin professional. Don't overuse retinol. Use a small amount of product. If it's a serum, it'll be about 2 to 3 pumps of the product. It'll be plenty to cover your face, neck, and chest area. And then finally, don't stop using. Keep using the retinol even if your skin is experiencing purging, dryness, or redness. First, what you want to do is review how often you are using the product. If it's no more than 2 times a week, then keep pushing through. Those reactions are normal and your skin will adjust. However, if you are using more than 2 times a week, you could cut down to 2 times a week and then see how your skin goes. Of course, if you're experiencing burning, please stop use and get your skin checked by a skin professional in person so they can analyze your skin and provide you with the best steps to move forward with your skincare routine. Over time, you will have the most amazing skin using retinol in your routine if you use it correctly. So let me know in the comments what retinol you are using and your results so far. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell. If you are interested in learning more about different retinol skincare products, then make sure you do check out our video here next.